If your kid knocks out a tooth, you have about 30 minutes to save it. And the first thing that most parents do is the thing that actually ruins its chance of being saved at all. Now, I know fall sports are coming up, so this is probably going to happen more and more often, unfortunately. But it can happen really anytime, even not when playing sports. But when a kid loses a tooth and it gets knocked out, the first instinct of a parent is to put it in water. That's the last thing you want to do. The tooth has living cells on the root of it, and water will actually kill those cells. The only things you want to put it in are milk, saline, or there's a specific salt solution that's in some first aid kits that's made specifically for this. But if you don't have access to that, it's either milk or saline. What you really want to do, if it's possible, is place the tooth back in. Now, you want to make sure it's not dirty, because if it is dirty, you want to rinse it off just a little bit, a couple seconds with some milk or some saline, nothing else. And once you do that, you want to place it right back into the socket that it came out of. You want to place it with firm pressure to make sure it goes all the way in as well. You don't want it halfway in, you want it all the way in. Now, if you can't get it in all the way, then you want to place it in something, but that something is milk or saline. Then you want to get to the dentist as quick as possible. If you don't have either of those on hand, you can have your child place it in the side of their cheek to keep it wet with saliva until you can get to the dentist. You have about 30 minutes, and that's really the cutoff for how you have a good chance of getting that tooth to reattach. Any longer than that, it's a really poor chance it's going to actually be a viable tooth. So if you're in the Bethesda or Burtonsville area, you can call us. We will see you same day, and we'll get you right in because we know how important this is. Now, one important caveat to this is that this only applies to permanent teeth. If it's a baby tooth, you do not want to ever put that back in because it can damage the permanent tooth that's above it. So baby teeth, if they're knocked out, leave them out. It's okay. It was going to come out one day anyway. But if it's a permanent tooth, place it back in as soon as you can, or place it in some milk or saline and get to the dentist. Save this video so you don't have to think twice when this or if this happens, because I know you'll be stressed and I wouldn't be able to think straight either. And give us a call if you're in our area and we can help you out if this happens. Hope this helps. Hope this doesn't happen to you, but we're here if you need us.